My name's Jeanette Whyman, and I'm head of clinical negligence and personal injury at Hustle. It's a great big title, and what it basically means is that we act for patients of hospitals, GPs, anyone who's had any sort of connection with health at all, a connection with the NHS. I'm a massive advocate of the NHS, even though I see them for a living. And that the reason I do that is because not everybody gets the best treatment that they deserve. So if you go in for a procedure, obviously you're going to be worried about what the outcome might be. And sometimes the outcome isn't what you expect. And on those occasions where the treatment hasn't been up to standard, you're entitled to compensation, because that treatment may mean that you can no longer work, or you no longer have the ability to do all the things that you used to do prior to your going into hospital. Lots of people are worried about bringing claims against the NHS and wonder whether they will be treated the same following any claim. And my advice is always, let me do the worrying. I will take the case forward for you. And it's not easy to bring a case. We live in what's called a compensation culture. I can tell you there's no such thing. Bringing a claim is extremely difficult, particularly a healthcare claim. I would advise you whether or not you have a claim and whether it's worth your time and our time bringing that case forward. So the sort of thing that you can claim for is any sort of treatment, operation, procedure that you've had that hasn't turned out the way it was expected to. And that might be from the smallest operation for perhaps removal of a gallbladder through to quite serious operations. You're concerned at all about any of the treatment that you've had, give me a ring and we'll talk it through.